to organize a successful these trains events. I will plan two main activities. First, I will choose a Charlotte's how where local food booths nice can donate products or services, and the money raised will go directly to the cause. Because I will set up food and life. Music stands to make it a fun family experience. It attracts more people to remote the events. I will focus be heavily on social market, be creative English videos, Instagram stories, and I content to build excellence. And finally, I will digital flyers to share in local community group and reach out to local influencers to help us spread the word and maximize attendance.